And all of a sudden, I saw a ton of where it came across as NLP dark psychology. And I'm like, oh shit, this is juicy. Walking out, and I just remember turning around and looking back at the screen. I'm like, what is on the screen that he doesn't want me to see? Or what is Tony saying that he doesn't want me to know? If you're anything like me, if somebody doesn't want me to know something, then I have to know it. I have to get to the bottom of it. NLP has completely changed my life, and it definitely can help yours too. Have you ever felt stuck? Like your mind is working against you and it would go in some sort of negative loop and you just couldn't get out of it? Well, that was me a few years ago until I discovered NLP, or Neuro-Linguistic Programming. And that's when everything changed. Since then, I've been able to completely rewire every limiting belief that ever held me back in the first place. Fast forward to today, I'm now a certified master practitioner in neuro-linguistic programming and also a certified practitioner from the London Hypnosis Academy. And I believe in the power of helping everyone who wants my help overcome the limiting beliefs and help them rewrite their story so that they can live the abundant life that they've always imagined. NLP has changed my life. What it really is I changed my life because I took the time to invest in myself and learn new skills that allowed me to escape the prison of my mind. And it allowed me to turn that place into a playground and into a heaven. So if you guys are interested in learning a bit about how I've gotten into NLP and how it's changed my life and how it can change yours, how it can help you rewrite any limiting beliefs, then just keep watching. Hey guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Megan Mae, and on this channel, we talk about NLP, hypnosis, overcoming limiting beliefs, rewriting your story, spirituality, all things personal development. So if you guys are interested in that, just keep watching. So I was at a Tony Robbins seminar with my now ex, and he was a narcissist. If you watched a previous video, I spoke a bit about that and opened up a bit about that past relationship. It's still very hard to talk about. Anyway, we were at a Tony Robbins seminar, jumping up and down, enjoying our time, having fun. And there came a point at the seminar, my boyfriend at the time was like, okay, we have to go. We have to get out of here. And I'm like, wait, why? Like, Tony's talking. What do you mean? Can we listen? He's like, no, we gotta go. And just like grabbed my hand. He's like, we have to go. We're gonna have dinner or something. And I'm like, huh. And I heard Tony say NLP. And the most I got out of it was that he was talking about rapport and mirroring and matching. And that was about it. It was kind of fuzzy. And I was like, it just happened so fast. I'm like, what do you mean NLP sounds cool? Like, I want to do that. And so we're almost walking out. And I just remember turning around and looking back at the screen. I'm like, what is on the screen that he doesn't want me to see? Or what is Tony saying that he doesn't want me to know? If you're anything like me, if somebody doesn't want me to know something, then I have to know it. I have to get to the bottom of it. So I just made a mental note of that, of NLP. I'm going to look that up for sure. Fast forward to 2018. I went to that seminar in 2017. So fast forward to 2018, we were just a few months broken up. I was heartbroken. I was feeling awful. Didn't know who I was. Felt like no confidence. I felt stuck. I felt lost. I was working 4 jobs. My mind was just a miserable place to be. I remember sitting on my bed one night, bawling my eyes out because the breakup was fresh. And I just remember feeling so alone, so lost. I didn't know where to turn next. And all of a sudden, just a flash in my mind was NLP. I'm like, wait a minute, NLP, like what was that? I grabbed my phone and I'm like looking it up. And I discovered that NLP stood for Neuro-Linguistic Programming. I'm like, what's that? This is when I had just gotten Audible. So I was like, let me look on Audible. Let me find a few programs on there. And all of a sudden I saw a ton of where it came across as NLP dark psychology. And I'm like, oh shit, this is juicy. And of course, myself being an all or nothing, pretty obsessed person, and I say that in the best way possible because it's what served me. I went all in and I bought probably 5, maybe more, but I would say 5 dark psychology NLP audiobooks at the time and dove all in, listened to them for however long, like days on end, like the whole thing. So I would understand or get a grasp or a taste for what NLP is and what is this dark psychology side of it, by the way. Learning those things, learning about NLP was one thing, but there's also the dark side of it. And I think that that's what most people talk about, of like, oh, NLP is brainwashing or NLP is bad. It's about mind effing people. Well, it can be if you use it in a malicious way, but it can also be very helpful. It can also help you rewrite rewrite your entire story and have your mind finally work for you. And that's how I used it. So fast forward to the beginning of 2020, you know what happened there. I decided to pick up a few more books on NLP and really dive a bit more into it. That's when I discovered John Grinder and Richard Bandler. And these two were the co-founders of NLP. And I know Tony Robbins talks about it a little bit, but really John Grinder and Richard Bandler were the co-founders. Then from there, I found a school that taught me NLP. And so then, not to get too far out, I then flew to Italy in 2020 during that time, yes, and I decided to get my master's certification in Neuro-Linguistic Programming. So I'm now a master practitioner in NLP, as well as a certified practitioner from the London Hypnosis Academy. NLP has completely changed my life, and it definitely can help yours too, and I am certified now to do it. So fast forward to today, I now am hosting workshops helping women and men, but mostly women from all over, rewrite their stories and help them live the abundant life that they've always desired. So that's pretty much the backstory from me. And I want to answer some of your guys' questions. I asked you guys over on my Instagram story if you guys had any questions about neuro-linguistic programming. So I'm going to read a couple of those now. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. What is a limiting belief that you would like to get over? Or is it a phobia, or would you like more confidence? Let me know in the comments below. What is NLP and how can it help me transform my life? So NLP, I like to see it as a toolbox for your brain, or almost like a user manual for your brain. There's a couple things in there called the meta model and the Milton model. And from those, it's almost like a way for you to solve any problem or anyone else's problem in the world. It helps you solve any problem that you have, or anyone else's problem for that matter. You see, because we get stuck by language patterns and the way that we use our body, the way we use our physiology, the thoughts that we think, and the language that we use, that all creates a pattern. And from that pattern, we start acting in certain ways and then we get certain results. So NLP helps you refocus and change the pictures that you're using in your mind, change the language that you're using so that you feel a different feeling, therefore take a new action to get a new result. So instead of going to therapy for year upon year to talk about your problems to maybe then someday find a solution through understanding the problem first, this cuts out all of that, and instead you can just change the pictures and then decide to feel a new way. This allows you freedom now, instead of how someday in the future you get that epiphany. NLP helps you get that now. Why is NLP important for personal growth? Well, that is because it aligns your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your goals, so you actually feel the best you can to be able to reach your goals. How do you personally use NLP in your daily routine? One major way I use NLP in my daily routine is I use the meta model and the Milton model just naturally at this point. I believe NLP has become a part of me. The Milton model and the meta model is the way I use my brain and I use my life. So I don't see it as like, let me think about that for a moment. The way I speak is the Milton model. The way I speak is the meta model. So that is part of NLP. That's how I use it on a daily basis. Is my language patterns allow me to experience freedom in every moment. And yes, of course, I have trials and tribulations like everyone else. I'm still human, but it has given me such freedom because I know that I have tools in my toolbox in my mind. I have a user manual in my mind that allows me to experience freedom in every single moment if I choose. Can NLP help me improve my relationship with my partner? Absolutely, because this allows you to put yourself in the other person's shoes by going in either second person or third person. So absolutely, it helps you broaden your perspective and speak from a place of understanding instead of pointing the finger and doing what's called mind reading. So instead of doing mind reading, it allows you to take a step back and put yourself in the other person's shoes. So absolutely, NLP can help you with your relationship. Can NLP be used to overcome fears and boost confidence? Absolutely. There is something called the fast phobia cure. And in there, it allows you to overcome any fear in one session. And if you want me to do that for you, please let me know. You can DM me on Instagram and we can work together. I would love to help you overcome your fears, whether it's heights, snakes, spiders, you name it. That is actually super fun for me to work on. So let's work together and get rid of those phobias and fears, because it's all stories anyway. And even if it's not a story for you, let's still work on it and see what we can do. And as far as boosting confidence, absolutely yes, NLP can help you boost your confidence and feel great in that moment when it's desired, when you're supposed to feel, when you feel like all eyes are on you and you're supposed to feel a certain way. NLP can absolutely help you boost your confidence whenever you need it. Yes, there's always times that maybe you're not in the mood almost. Once you embody these language patterns, once you embody NLP as a part of you, you don't have to say like, oh, it's NLP. It's like, it literally becomes you. And if you think about it, like any book that you read, of course, hopefully you're going to take a piece of that and make it a part of you, make it a part of your brain, make it a part of your psychology and possibly your way of thinking. Or if it was a shit book, maybe you're going to toss it out the window. But anything that you invest your time in, anything that you invest your money and your attention to, hopefully is going to benefit you and make you a better person. So I'm not trying to sit here and be a glorified NLP advocate, but I really am. I love it. I love NLP and I think it can help so many people. That's why I'm so passionate about it. So maybe it's not about being a glorified advocate. It's about being a passionate person and really believing in the power of neuro-linguistic programming, because I believe in the power of our minds. I believe in the power of our minds to shape our reality. If you're interested in working with me and seeing how I can help you overcome your fears, your phobias, or gain more confidence, or really get over any problem that you're having, drop me a DM go on my Instagram at Mae Stevens and DM me. Let's see how we can work together, or check out my description box. There may be a Calendly link so we can have a 15-minute discovery call, or also there may be a link down in the description of a wait list for my workshops where I host NLP workshops and different manifestation ceremonies. So leave your email down below so you can be the first to be notified when I do my next workshop. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. Leave a comment down below. What is your phobia or your fear that you would love to get over? Let me know. Or if it's confidence that you want to build, let me know like what your number one thing is that you feel you could use NLP for. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in one of these videos up next.